You guys, Kitchen Cut is finally getting a new visor. Look how ugly this one is. You guys, Kitchen Cut is finally getting a new visor. Look how ugly this one is. Puke. Yeah, so that's one of the things I got from Chrome World the other day, and we're gonna be using this truck on Thursday and Friday, and I can't have Blake driving around like this anymore, so we're gonna get it changed. We're gonna do this goddamn thing. We're gonna do it together. Y'all should see what I got rigged up over here. Ow.
Be careful, it's hot.
Yeah.
You gonna hold that? Set this side just on top of you for a second.
Well, that didn't work. Got it?
I thought he's wet.
Like my arms are just like dripping sweat.
Yeah.
It's so gross.
Right?
Y'all missed that.
Holy clumsy.
Definitely makes it not
Update on the air conditioner.
It's still not installed.
Still not working. I only had this one hat.
Look how the light reflects on my hair and my forehead. It looks like my forehead's huge.
Well, I don't think that's the light. It also puts a big shadowing on my under titty. Oh no, that's just sweat.
Ooh, a little breeze. Ooh, that's nice.
Woo!
This is the visor we got. I don't remember what it is. I think it's 14.
No, it's a 10-inch straight.
10-inch straight. We ordered it.
Does that look like 14 inch?
Yeah, we ordered it.
That's what I'm talking about.
We ordered a 10 to 14. But it was way too big. So this is what we got. It's beautiful. Cover girl. All right, Blake's putting on this
No, I'm
thing
trying to get you to do it.
because he's nervous. I'm gonna shatter the windshield, and I don't think he's wrong. Oh God, I almost broke that right there. Okay, let's see it happen.
I sat down so you could do it. Come on, Wankrin.
Okay, I gotta go, guys. This ain't no show rig.
It's a tow rig.
So Blake just cut them brackets off so that we didn't have to fill all that and it to be white and all that stuff. We got that on there. God, they puttied that windshield up. You must have seen her dancing in the sand. Hold me closer, tiny dancer. Ba-dum. Count the headlights on the highway.
Too much booty to pay. Too much booty to pay. I'm gonna
I
get you
got
a rag
here.
and clean it in there.
I got here.
You got the bolts?
You told me I needed it.
They're all just loose?
Yeah?
Okay, here's some extras, because I could see an F-bomb them on the floor.
I just had one.
I said you needed two.
Oh.
So there's three. 'Cause
Okay.
I know what's gonna happen.
Seen her. Can we listen to that when we're done with this?
Yeah, as long as I'm done, we can throw a kid.
Babe, you got to do as much paperwork as I do and deal with all them jackasses.
I'd hire somebody.
Huh?
I'd hire a lady.
No, because then our show will be all fucked up. And they'll steal from us, and I'm going to have to go back behind her.
Yeah, see what I gotta deal with?
I have to go
Everybody's
back-
out to get her.
No! Have you heard of one success story of any of our friends that have hired anyone to do their books?
Ours is a success story.
Yeah, because I do it.
You can let loose and let
Freaking Fro got No, I don't trust them people to deal with our money. That's why we have money. Oh, baby, you okay?
push my fucking finger.
Are you okay? pants. Got the pop rivets going in. I'm pop riveting these.
Oh, right now, you're not doing anything.
I gotta drill a hole out.
Waller it out a little bit. How do you feel about that hole?
Good, I can't think straight. It's so hot in here.
It's a hot girl truck summer.
Yes,
Hot
it
truck
is.
girl summer.
Oh, yeah.
Something about the summer is hot. So the next thing, tell us what you're doing next.
I'm drilling these holes out. Pop rivet.
How come you have to drill the holes out?
Because we're putting 1/4-inch pop rivets in it.
And what size used to be in there?
I don't know, 7/16.
God, that's a monster rivet.
No, it was, I don't know,
3/16.
3/16, something 16.
Yeah. Waller her out. As a 1/4-inch bit.
Yo, I'm super smart, but y'all know in the 4th grade, my mom got called because I almost failed math because of fractions.
That came out of nowhere, but are y'all proud?
No, that's why I don't understand all our sizes. When you ask me to get things in the orders, for some reason I can't memorize them.
Yeah, blue is green and orange is white. Can you hurry up? My arm's tired.
We didn't have to record the whole thing.
I want everybody to know that you're doing it. Not only Barbie, she's a big rig one.
I just needed a filler clip.
We're going to fill the whole thing. Why do just a little bit? The viewers want to see the whole installation. Look, it looks like its eyelashes are laid back. Boy, look at that thing.
I wallered that one, baby.
You waller that thing. I was trying to get over there for a better shot, but it wasn't. All right, here's the last one. And just like that,
What did you want to put in here? Other pop rivets or what?
No, I'm gonna put the bolts in there. Hey, wave to the camera, let everybody know you're done.
I'm done. And just like that, we got a visor installed.
Quick little 15-minute install.
I know, it looks so much better.
Oh yeah,
It's better?
it's like a good height.
Oh, yeah.
That seat, but
Yeah.
little steering wheel. Shit. Well, I'm gonna kick some water this week.
I know, we need to get the floor put in so we can put the new seats in. It's been a minute. We've been in vacation mode, but guys, we're working on green bean. Are you okay? We're taking the floor out and we're putting a wood floor in. This is what we got. It matches the dash and the steering wheel and everything really good. Oh, it's pretty. It's like the skinny planks, but we're gonna be working in the dark because I don't know if y'all remember me telling y'all, but all these lights are garbage and almost all of them have burnt out. They haven't even been up a year. Yeah, not even 6 months they've been up, and look, they're all burnt out. So if you guys have a solid UFO light that you like, please let me know. Drop it in the comments because we need to get some because these suck. But here's the floor we're taking out. It's just like the regular old rubber mat flooring. As you can see, it's really gross and old and worn through. And then we're gonna be putting the new seats in that we got. We got some Legacy gray nice seats. What did we get? I've lied.
Atlas.
Atlas seats. We don't have Legacy seats. Got 2 of them bad boys. How disgusting this truck is. I don't know how people just don't take care of their stuff. We're not even 2 bolts in and we already ran into an issue. The floor bolt or the seat floor bolts are rounded off. Blake's already not happy.